بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Remember this. A diamond is a chunk of coal that did well under pressure. Just like a diamond is formed under pressure, our hearts experience pressure on a daily basis in this world. In order for that diamond to shine, it needs to be polished. In order for our heart to shine, it needs to go through the process of Tazkiyah. Tazkiyah is the process of transforming the nafs, or our desires, from its deplorable state of self-centrality towards the level of purity and submission to the will of Allah. In other words, it is the purification of the heart and soul. It was reported that a companion asked the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, what is purification of the soul? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that one knows Allah Almighty is with him wherever he is. The goal of Tazkiyah is to worship Allah as if you can see Him. When we purify ourselves from the diseases of the heart, we will live in a state of peace and contentment with Allah's commandments and decree. The process of Tazkiyah will allow us to be successful in this world and the next. He has succeeded who purifies it, and he has failed who corrupts it. Have you ever wondered what makes our heart sick? If so, register for the Tazkiyah course. And Dr. Haifa Yunus, the founder of Jannah Institute, will teach us how to start the process of purifying the heart from the diseases that keep us away from Allah. Jannah Institute offers classes each semester, both online and on-site. For more questions and details, visit our website www.jannahinstitute.com and register today.